Today, as you all know, it is an important day for all of us who are graduating from the nursery school to primary. Don't we look fantastic? I think we deserve a parcel of a clap.
Wapigie makofi nasema we deserve them. Yes.
Thank you. As parents and teachers, it is your collective responsibility to guide and mold leaders seated here today for tomorrow. Our teachers have seen us grow. They have guided, molded, and shaped us and become who we are today. Indeed, they have developed us in good habits, moral values, self-discipline, and the basic learning skills. We could never have made it without our teachers. You are wonderful.
Wow.
We have grown physically, socially, academically, and spiritually. For this and many more, we say thank you. We are grateful to God for the management of Ellen White, which gave us the wings on which we fly. To our ever-supportive parents, words are not enough to express our gratitude to you for the role you have played to facilitate this process for us.